Are you tired of feeling sluggish after a fast food meal? Did you know that there are healthy fast food options that can help you stay energized and focused throughout the day? Here are the top 5 benefits of eating healthy low-calorie fast food. Benefit number 1: supports weight loss. Eating low-calorie fast food can be a great way to support weight loss goals. By choosing healthier options, you can still enjoy your favorite foods while keeping your calorie intake in check. Benefit number 2: reduces risk of chronic diseases. By choosing healthier fast food options, you can reduce your risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Benefit number 3: provides essential nutrients. Healthy low-calorie fast food options can be rich in essential nutrients such as protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can give your body the fuel it needs to function optimally. Benefit number 4: increase energy and focus. Eating healthy low-calorie fast food can help increase your energy levels and improve your ability to focus, helping you feel full and focused for longer periods. Benefit number 5: improves overall health and well-being. By making a habit of choosing healthy, low-calorie fast food options, you can improve your overall health and well-being and feel great about what you're putting into your body. Thanks for watching. By choosing healthy low-calorie fast food options, you can still enjoy delicious meals while feeling great about your food choices. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on healthy eating and living. Check the link in the pinned comment to learn more about healthy low-calorie food.